Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VS Code on MX Linux 23. Okay. Open any web browser, then go to code.visualstudio.com. Hit enter. We have to download Debian package, or click on download, then click on Debian, that is .debian package. Click on it. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 99 megabytes. See, download is completed. Open terminal. Click on it. Go to downloads, CD, downloads, ls. See here we have the code. That means Visual Studio Code .debian package, and this is the version number. So install it, sudo dpkg-i. Then give code, give the tab to autofill, enter Debian package name and hit enter. Then provide the password of this user. See, its version is 1.98. See, add Microsoft APT repository for Visual Studio Code. Keep the checkbox, that is for accepting, and click on next. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to menu, then search for code. See here we have the Visual Studio Code. Open it by clicking on this application, or let me open this one first. See, we got the Visual Studio application. Otherwise close it. Otherwise code and hit enter. Just type code on terminal, hit enter. See, we got the VS Code application. Close this one. So we have successfully installed ls. This file is not required anymore. So to clear space we have to remove this one. rm give code, give the tab, hit enter, ls. So we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download and install VS Code latest version on MX Linux 23. For more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.